5 ways to generate more leads for your asphalt business. Fortunately, we've compiled this list of tips to help you generate leads and grow your business. First tip is optimize your website. These days it goes without saying that your business needs to have a website. But your website is not just a place for visitors to learn more about your business, it can also be a powerful tool that can actively use to generate leads. 2, be active on social media. While we're talking digital, don't forget to be active on social media, trying to post frequently on popular platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Interact with your followers, engage them, get them interested in what you have to offer. 3, organize a local contest. It's really no secret that everybody loves receiving prizes. Using that universal trait can help you find people in your local area who are interested in your asphalt services. Just make sure you're doing it the right way. We'll teach you all about that too. 4, participate in local events or charities. Getting involved in your local community comes with a lot of social and personal benefits, but it can also be good for your business. We'll tell you about that too. And 5, have professional marketing material. Getting your foot in the door with a potential customer can be enough of a challenge on its own. Make sure you're presenting your business in a positive light by having professional marketing materials. We'll also expand on that as well.
Like, comment, and subscribe below.